I've nearly completed my logo. I want to add some type now at the very bottom of the logo. I'm going to duplicate one of the layers. I'm going to duplicate the text around the top layer. With it selected, I'm going to use the Options pop-up menu. I'm going to select Duplicate Text Around the Top. I'm actually going to select the layer that I've just worked on, which was the original text around the top. I'm going to lock the top one. I'm going to rename this layer Text Around the Bottom. I've selected the actual text itself, and you'll see I've got the bounding box appear. Moving my cursor just to the top moving my cursor to the top right hand corner of the bounding box, I get the rotate icon. I'm literally just going to rotate by dragging my text, snapping it into position and letting go. So my text is now around the bottom of my logo, but unfortunately it reads the wrong way round. This is where I can use my type on a path options again and specify how the type will behave in relationship to its path. Now if I select flip, you will see that it then pushes the text inside but the right way round. I can then change how my text is ranged around that graphic by using one of the other options. I'm going to use the ascender, so it pushes the text now outside of the shape. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to rename this type Association to complete my logo. So I now have text running around the top and around the bottom of my graphic.